Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 28th of October 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty November future, Bank Nifty November future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Also, I would also like to tell you that today is the first day in trading in the November future. Yesterday was the monthly expiry and we have a new contract which is November. And let me before moving on how the markets perform, I just want to tell you what are the differences between the spot price and the November future price. Okay, so we still have a 1 month left. The November's last Thursday or this contract is going to expire. Right now the Nifty November we can see is 17,837, while the future is at 17,786, okay, which is approximately 48 points difference between the spot price and future price. Okay, and coming with the Bank Nifty future price and the spot price, the future price is 41,160 and the future price and the spot price is 40,990. Okay, so that's approximately 170 points difference. Okay, so the bias is slightly on the positive side. Okay, and the price is slightly higher than the spot. The future price is higher than the spot price because we still have a lot of time left for the monthly expiry. All right, so now let us start first with Nifty Nifty November future. Okay, so the previous close on the previous month was 17,789 in November future, not October. Okay, now and then open is today 17,781, while the high today touched was 17,887 and then low touched was 17,773. Okay, now let us move to the November future and then we are on approximately 3 minutes time frame. Let me change that to the 1 minute time frame and show you how the market has moved. Okay, so one second. Yeah, so the market opened at this range. Okay, and then quickly moved up. It quickly moved up and then taking from the support at the start point, it went up. Okay, it went up until 17,872. Quickly we saw a profit booking. Okay, first the pre-market opening, the markets was indicating to be opening a sideways or a little 40-50 points bearish, but it did not happen, and the way it went up and then the profit booking happened. We can see 1 2 3 4 5 candles continuously forming for the first 5 minutes at 9:55. That the bearish movement had started, and then mostly it was a profit booking, and whoever had bought around this, their stop losses got hit and then slightly it went up. Okay, this was just a trap to trap the buyers, and after trapping the buyers we can clearly see how it has moved in like a ball way. Okay, when you throw a ball on the floor, it first bounces slightly higher, then reduces the low, then again reduces the height. Okay, like that it has moved. Okay, up down up down up down, it has gone in that ball pattern. Okay, if we connect the dots we can clearly see how it has been. Okay, so it has been forming this lower highs. Okay, if we see lower high, first lower high, second lower high, we can clearly see how it has been making the lower highs, and approximately by 1 o'clock the market touched its low at approximately 17,780 and then quickly goes sideways up until 230, and from 230 we see a quick recovery at 17,837, and then the market closes at that point of the range. Okay, cool. Now let us move to the Bank Nifty November future. So we are in the Bank Nifty November future, and we can see that the previous closing here in the November future was 41,483, while the open was at 41,450, then high was at 41,636, and then low was created at 41,015, approximately 600 points difference. Okay, so when we move to the Bank Nifty and we change from 3 minutes to 1 minute on the time frame, and then we can see over here, so the market has moved approximately the first candle itself we can clearly see. Okay, so we can see the candle opened around here, quickly went down, went up, and then managed to close approximately here. The candle's body is like hardly 5 to 10 points. Okay, in the first minute, and in the second minute the market goes up closes above this pivot level and then tries to breach up, but it could not, and it failed miserably. Made a high of approximately 41,600 and change. Okay, and then it took a rejection, and then as expected, as I told in yesterday's video, that it should open a gap down, but it did not open gap down. It opened flat, slightly went up, and from there it continued to the downside. Okay, so it continued to the downside, and from here it went it broke the support level, which was 41,514. We shorted over here, and then it went up, touched support number 2, quickly recovered, but does not touch the support number 1, and from there falls back again to 41,384, slightly takes a recovery to 41,447, and again makes a lower lows. Okay, higher sorry it makes a lower lows, and then after making a lower lows, it turns back to 41,266, which also gives a strong confirmation over here that the Mondays may be a little bit for a gap down. Okay, and then it slightly went down, and then again it falls to 41,117, and after approximately 11:47 the market starts to move in a sideway range. Okay, once it moves to the sideway range, the market starts to 41,059, and then 36, and the lowest it touched was 41,115. From there again it was in a sideway range. If I draw this range for you, the first range was this. One second, yeah, sorry. Okay, so the first range was this. Okay, and then the second range was this. I'll just draw that. Okay, let me create a box for you. Yeah, so the second range was this, and then the first range was this. Okay, so you can see over here how the market has been moving in kind of a range. So the range has been broken at the upper side, but the market still looks weak, and I am expecting a bearish movement. My first target would be around this point. Okay, which is 40,900. Okay, my second target on a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, we have to see it on a 30 minutes time frame. My second target would be around this pivot level, which is 40,400. That would be my target. Maybe by the week end is what we can expect over here. Yeah, so well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace.